Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 260 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the LOL Lots of Love eyeshadow palette in the shade Ivy Missed You. That's such a cute name because it's all these green tones. But I found this on shopmissa.com, so this product was only $1 and it's cruelty free. I feel like it's been a little while since I've tried out a eyeshadow palette, especially a $1 eyeshadow palette, and a lot of times I'm very pleasantly surprised by them. So hopefully I'll like this one. I do really like the colors in it, and that's what really drew me to this palette. So I'm going to start out by swatching them. And so in this palette, I get, it looks like, I get 4 metallic looking shades and 1 matte shade. So here are the swatches. They actually have really beautiful color, really nice pigment. This green here is the matte shade and it's kind of hard to show up on camera. But here are all the colors. I'm really impressed by these metallic shades though. They seem to have really good pigment and really good shine to them. I love all of these earthy tones too. I think that they'll go nicely with my green hazel eyes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try some of these out on my eye. So, I guess in the crease, I'm gonna go in with the matte shade. That's this more bright green here. Just gonna use my crease brush that I got from Wet n Wild at the dollar store. I love these brushes. And I did not prime my eyes because I wanted to be able to see how these shadows actually show up with their pigment, if they crease. But typically I'm really into using an eyeshadow primer because I just have such creasy eyelids and I feel like it really does help keep my eyeshadow in place for longer and without creasing. So yeah, this matte shade is not showing up very pigmented. It's a pretty, very subtle light green, but nothing all that impressive. Since I wasn't able to get that great of a crease shade, I'm gonna actually go in with this shade next to it. This is more of a, like a copper shade, and build the crease up a little bit more with this shade. Wow, this one is showing up with a lot of shimmer, which I don't mind. I do like some shimmer, but I am finding that this metallic shade is a bit more pigmented and it's blending out pretty nicely. Now on the lid, I'm going to go in with my finger since these are some metallic shades. I think that those show up better when I apply with my finger. I'm going to go in the outer portion of my eye with this more dark brown shade. Ooh, I really like this color. It actually kind of has almost a duochrome effect with like a green tint to it. I think that's such a pretty shade. Pretty good formula, showing up really nicely. Beautiful metallic finish. And then on the rest of my eyelid, to finish up the look, I'm gonna go in with the kind of more golden shade here. It's like a green tinted gold. Very pretty though. And this one also has really nice pigment, and both of these apply really well with my finger. Wow, this is a very shimmery eyeshadow look. But wow, all in all, I'm actually really happy with how this looks and really happy with these products. I'm so surprised that this palette is only $1 because I think that these are a very good formula, especially the metallic shades. I can tell that this matte shade is a less expensive formula, but these metallic shades I think look great. They seem very blendable, pigmented, So very comparable to some high-end eyeshadows that I've tried. And I do love these colors. They all go so beautifully together, and I do think that they look nice with my green hazel eyes. So now that I've had this on my eye for a little bit, I want to go ahead and see if this is creasing. And you know what? This is not actually creasing on me at all. And I have a lot of wrinkles in my eyelids, and I always have problems with creasing, but not with this product. This $1 product actually looks so nice on my eyelid, and that's without even using a primer or dampening my brush or anything like that. I'm still able to get this beautifully pigmented metallic eyeshadow look. And I actually kind of like this bright green shade in the crease. I feel it kind of complements the look, and I would really love to wear this eyeshadow look today. But if I'm being honest, I've been having some eczema on this eyelid, so I don't really want to put any eyeshadow there. It's okay, it's not really bothering me today, but oh, it's like the worst place to get eczema. But I've been dealing with it in this same spot for like years now, and it just comes and goes, and for some reason it's been bothering me lately, so I don't want to irritate it anymore. So for today, I'm only trying out the eyeshadow on this one eye, but really liking this look. I'm definitely going to recreate it once I can wear eyeshadow again on both eyes, and I think that this is a very pretty fall color. I'm really loving green this fall, so I think I'm going to get some good use out of this palette. Let me know in the comments down below what colors you are really loving for fall these days. I'm thinking of doing a fall makeup look tutorial type of video soon, so I'd love to get some ideas of what colors I should incorporate. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.